How to delete friends on Monopoly Go game. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to delete your friends on Monopoly Go game, here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the friends section. Tap on it. Once you are in this friends and family page, here you can see the leaderboard option. Tap on it. Here you have three different tabs of global, local and friends. You need to select this friends tab. Here you will see the list of friends that you have in your accounts. Now if you want to delete any of these friends, all you need to do is you can tap and hold on the friend that you want to delete. You will see a little pop-up like this. You can now tap on this three dots icon over here, and here you can see the option to remove. You can tap on this and it will ask you for your confirmation if you really want to remove this friend. If so, you can tap on this remove, and there you go. That's how you can easily delete friends as much as you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.